What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polygon and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted. Links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here, and it does look as though we have actually lost the 20 moving average here on the daily time frame for Polygon specifically, which is interesting considering that Ethereum right now is actually, breaking out of the little range that it has been in. As you can see over the past hour or so, Ethereum is actually breaking out. So it's interesting that Polygon is actually rolling over, and obviously it's looking for its next level of support in reality, isn't it? And as you can see, if we take a look at our chart here, you can see that it does look as though it is finding a decent level of support on that 55 moving average here. And it looks as though it has actually bounced all the way back up to retest that 20 moving average as a resistance. So if it breaks back out of that, we could be looking at, Polygon potentially breaking out, back testing it and just continuing onwards. But it does look as though Polygon did need a bit of cooling off, didn't it? And it looks like it needs to retest some support a bit more than other cryptos do, which is totally fine. And obviously this is completely normal. So if we just go through what's been happening recently, we can see basically we've got our range looking something like this for Polygon. We obviously had our massive pump, a huge dump, formed the bottom of our range. We faked out to the top of the range, obviously come back up, formed our resistance at around $192. Very strong resistance. This big downtrend, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We come all the way down with a massive fake out to the downside of not only the range, but also the big descending wedge. Absolutely wrecking all the longs, but then also wrecking all the shorts straight away because everyone starts shorting the bottom of the market. And before you know it, we've pumped back up inside the range and inside of the wedge, by the way. We come up, we retest it for a few days as resistance. We break out of the 20. We consolidate between the 20 and the 55 here, which is super bullish. We flip that into support. We come up to our next level at 152. We hit that top price target. We come back down, retest support. We hit the next price target at 172. Both of these were called out by us, by the way, a few weeks ago. And now we're coming back down. We tested the 20 moving average a few times as support here, but we have rolled over. And now we're just looking for our next level of support, aren't we? And you can see it looks as though we have found our next level of support somewhat at our 55 moving average here, which is coming in and looking something like this. You can see we've rolled over. We've basically we've pretty much touched the 55 and got a nice bounce to the upside. We come down to around 130 and now we're back up at around 140. Just retesting that 20 moving average as a previous support flipped into resistance. So obviously, as we said, we could see ourselves coming down here, consolidating on the 55 before starting to move up again, because it looks as though Polygon is having a bit of an extended cooling off period and a bit of consolidation, which is totally fine, isn't it? Because you can see that within this wider range we have formed a smaller range for Polygon, essentially looking something like this, where we've come up to that 152 level. We come back down, we double test this bottom of the range here. We come up, we formed a new high for the range, but then obviously we've been rejected. We come back down, and now we've just rolled down to retest the bottom of the range, coinciding with the 55, haven't we? And things are looking totally fine. A lot of people are going absolutely crazy, like the market's going up, but Polygon's going down. It's a scam. Everyone sell their coins and stuff like this. And honestly, Polygon just looks like it needs to, find its feet a bit, which is totally fine. And we're completely okay with consolidation, by the way, especially after you ran up like this. You have a little bit of consolidation, you run up, you have a little bit of consolidation. And then sooner or later, you're going to get that next leg up, aren't you? Because the market's bullish right now. Ethereum is breaking out. And Ethereum is like a good measuring stick for what the altcoins are probably going to do. You can see quite clearly here, Ethereum has essentially been in a range like this. and it's breaking out over the past, few hours. So we'll see how this closes today and see how that affects the other cryptos. But as far as we're concerned, it looks as though Polygon is doing completely fine, and it just basically needs to essentially, come down and find its feet and bounce off some support. And it's finding that at the bottom of this range, coinciding with the 55 here. Very strong level of support in our opinion. So taking a look at short-term price predictions then. If we're looking at essentially, if Polygon did continue to roll over here, as we said, we did think of very strong support of the 55 coinciding with the bottom of this channel here. Very, very strong support. If we did start to lose this level, which we don't think that we probably will, because there is a massive amount of structural support at this next level here, we'd say realistically it would only be a fake out really down to that previous swing high, maybe at around 125 to 120, because there's a massive amount of structure in this area where we formed this V-shaped bottom here, haven't we? Looking at something like this, just a full recovery, massive amount of structure in this area where you would probably see a bounce. So obviously we've come down to the 55 in the bottom of the range, which was our price target if we did see ourselves roll over, and you can see we've got a perfect bounce off of it, haven't we? So congratulations to anyone who longed at the bottom of this range here, because you would have had a nice little trade here. Back to the upside for around 10 cents of gains, which is absolutely insane, isn't it? What is this? A little 10% gain there. That's really nice to see. Obviously, we're getting the bounce off of that price target that we did mention if we did see ourselves rolling over. And obviously, as we said, if we do start to hit this 170 level again, we are targeting the top of the wider range, which is at around that $190 to $2 area. That $190 to $2 area. So that's looking really good. And then obviously, as we always say, taking a look at our fib extensions here, let's draw this from the top to the bottom for the last leg of the bull run. We do think $5 to $10 is very, very achievable for Polygon, and very likely, considering it got to $2.70 here, but the market cap is still so low. We do think there's a lot of potential for growth. The ecosystem is getting fleshed out all the time. It's obviously super cheap and super fast, super reliable, and there's a lot of good protocols coming out all the time. So we do think it's very likely it can easily 2x its all-time high, going to around $5.5, $6, going upwards of $10 here. Our price target going into these fib extensions as well, very, very possible. So update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.